National Weather Service in Miami has issued a tornado warning for north central Collier County in southwestern Florida, central Hendry County in southern Florida, until 11:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:06 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 2 severe thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes were located near Hendry Correctional, over 14 miles east of Improperly, moving north at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar-indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Mantra, Hendry Correctional, Devil's Garden, and Cary. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 11:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida, Collier and Hendry.